Welcome back guys, and in your Mi phone, suppose you are having a problem that your phone is not getting started. In spite of pressing power on button, your phone is not started, the blank screen is coming. So in that case, phone is not turning on, not starting. In that case, what will you do? I am going to tell you 2-3 methods by which you can turn on your phone. So let us simulate that situation. First I am going to power it off. So now phone is this type of screen you will get, and in that case, if you are pressing most of the mobiles volume minus key and power key, if you press both keys simultaneously, it will a type of soft reset. But in this mobile, if you press both, it will go into the, suppose I have pressed volume minus and power on button. Now see what will happen. It has gone to Fastboot mode. That is another problem. So first we will get out from Fastboot by pressing power off button for more than 14 seconds. Okay, now it will reboot. So first method, you can try this, means you put your phone into the Fastboot mode and then try to remove your phone from Fastboot mode, and it will boot into the normal one. This is the first method. Second method was just press this power on and volume plus key for more than 10-15 seconds, and it will a type of soft reset for your Mi mobile. I will show you one. So just press this power on and volume plus key. Now just keep it pressed for some time. Okay, now see it is getting on. Now just keep it pressed, it is getting on. Just remove it and then see what is happening. See, something is going on. Okay, so if you keep pressed volume plus key plus power on key, this will come. See, reboot, wipe data, connect to Mi, and then safe mode. Then just see reboot, it is there, reboot. Just press reboot. Okay, and then you can select it by this volume plus minus. You can go here. At that time touch will not work, so select reboot and press power on, and then reboot to system. Okay, now it will be rebooted and your phone will turn on. So this is the second method. First method, power on plus minus key, it will go into the Fastboot mode, then press power on for some seconds and it will be back to the normal. Second, soft reset, power on plus key, then either it will directly go into the normal mode or it will go to that screen. Then with volume plus key and minus key, and with the help of power key, just select the reboot and reboot to the system, and you will go to the normal one. If by doing all the two things it is not going to the normal mode, just try to push all around the corners from top and from bottom, and then massage it like that. Massage is like that from top and from bottom. What is happening, some logical connections to the IC, to the chip, can become loose, and by doing this massage you can get your desired results. So this is sometimes it works, it really works. Please try, sometimes it works. And now if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.